Good day, awesome students! Now, in this section, we will be examining a process which is effectively the inverse of multiplication of polynomials, by which we go about determining what we multiply to get the given quantity. This process is called factoring. There are many different forms of factoring. The first is the common monomial factor. For example, 10x plus 5. We recognize that 5 is a common monomial factor. After determining the common monomial factor, we can divide 10x by 5, which is 2, and divide 5 by 5, which is 1. We will write it as 5, 2x plus 1, difference and sum of two cubes. So here are the formulas that summarize how to factor the sum and difference of two cubes. What are the difference between the two formulas?
The binomial factor of the equation in the sum of two cubes is positive, while negative in the difference of two cubes. The middle sign of the trinomial factor is opposite to the middle sign of the given problem. Therefore, the sum of two cubes is negative, while in the difference of two cubes is positive.
Good observations. For example, x cubed plus 27. What form of two cubes in x cubed plus 27?
Sum of two cubes.
Currently, the problem is not written in the form that we want. Each term must be written as cube, that is, an expression raised to a power of 3. The term with variable x is okay, but 27 should be taken care of. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. We write the original problem as sum of two cubes. Since this is the sum case, the binomial factor and trinomial factor will have positive and negative middle signs, respectively. How about let's try the difference of two cubes, y cubed minus 8. This is a case of difference of two cubes, since this number 8 can be written as a cube of a number where 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2. So apply the rule for difference of two cubes and simplify. Since this is the difference case, the binomial factor and the trinomial factor will have negative and positive middle signs, respectively. Are there any questions or clarifications?
Miss, what do you think are the things to remember in factoring polynomials?
You should memorize those formulas and be careful with the signs.
Created using Powtoon.